Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to walk through the process of creating an offer. And to get started, we are going to go to the Vendors tab. And then we're going to click Offers. When we get there, we are going to create a new offer. Now when you write in the title, that will actually encompass all of the products in your front end and upsell product. So in other words, if you have a product and an upsell, second upsell, that will all fall under one title, and that is what you will place here in this dialog box. You'll then write a brief description about your product, and you'll obviously want it to be eye-catching for anyone who sees just a few characters. Now you have a limit of 512 characters that you can write here in the description. You'll then be asked to select a category. Now you will select the category according to some pre-selected information that WarriorPlus gives you. And typically, if you place your cursor in that category, you'll get a chance to see everything that you can choose. You'll scroll down this list. You're going to select 3 that are going to be the most likely candidate that would describe your product. Now, if you remember, we talked about keywords earlier, that in this space, you're going to write in keywords, and this will help to determine who is actually going to see your offer. So in other words, if you want your offer to be sent to individuals who have expressed an interest in certain keywords, you're going to write that keyword in this dialog box. And what you'll do is you'll start by typing in the first few letters, and once you actually find the one that is yours, you'll want to click on top of it, and then it'll actually appear in the keyword window. Once you do that, then you'll want to select an image that will be representative of your product. Now when your affiliate comes to your affiliate page, that image will appear in this area. So we'll select an image in our hard drive. The image, according to WarriorPlus, should be 125 by 125 pixels. Now before we add a product, we will not be able to turn this on public. We will want to come back and do this once our offer is ready for approval. Once we've added in all this information, we'll then want to click Create. Now, when we come to this page, we'll then want to put in the URL of our offer's main sales page. And that's going to show up inside of our affiliate offer when the affiliate comes to look at it. Now, typically, this is going to be our front-end sales page. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in our sales page in this box. If we're setting up our offer inside of the Warrior form, we're going to use this box, and we're going to click this link to create a new WSO post. That is an optional feature, and we don't have to use that. We can always set up our WarriorPlus offer on our own domain. You can change your checkout banner if you want. Again, this is optional. You can use the WarriorPlus default. If you are going with a pre-launch option for your offer, you will designate that here. If you're going to have your visitors go to a page before the launch, you can designate that in this area. If you're going to have an affiliate program, you are going to want to turn this on. And what this is going to do is this is going to give you the opportunity to set up a JV page. So if you're going to write a note to potential JVs, you're going to want to write a message here. And you're going to put in your JV page in this area. Now, once again, this is optional. You can use the JV page that WarriorPlus gives you. Another thing that you can do is you can set up your autoresponder to capture the names and email addresses of individuals that apply to promote your product. And you can do that through your own autoresponder. And lastly, WarriorPlus will actually go and look for affiliates on your behalf if you turn this on. The details of the program are that WarriorPlus will promote their affiliate program via their own email, and then they'll make a 15% commission on any sales that come through their particular referral. So once you've done everything that you'd like to do, you're then going to click Create. Now, when you're at this point, you are going to want to make sure that you understand how you're going to have your funnel. So if you know you're going to have an upsell or a second upsell or even a downsell, you want to go ahead and create those pages here in the offer section because we're going to connect individual products to them. So we can create a new page by going to this button, and we're going to give that page a name, and we're going to place in the sales page URL. And we're then going to put our URL in this box. And then we're going to click Save. And we want to add a third product to this offer. We would then click the Add New Page. We would then place in the sales page URL and then click Save. Now that we have set up the funnel, what we'll need to do now is we'll need to create the products. WarriorPlus will not yet allow us to set up the funnel until we've actually added the products to this offer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.